Hi, Colorado. This is your lottery sets for the pick 3. Also, I just want to apologize if you're hearing any car volume. It's because I'm in my car right now and there is a very busy highway in front of me. So if you are picking that up, I do apologize. Also, because I'm in my car and it's nighttime now, the light quality may not be the best, so I do apologize for that as well. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video out. I do have a long drive ahead of me, so I wanted to get this out. Alright, so here we go. So for your singles, you're going to have 079. You know what, Colorado, let me try to bring this over here to the better light, okay? Give me a sec. Okay. Alright, that's a little bit better. Okay, so for the singles, you have 079, 130, 247, 543, and 780. So the way that I would recommend that you play this is, the way I like to play is I like to focus in on basically a set. So like a 3 number set. So let's say you're keeping track and you notice that you have 079 hit, 130 hit, and then 543 hit. What you're going to do is you're going to write that down, make a note of it, and then the next time 2 of those numbers hit out of that set, you would play the other number. So just as an example, let's say again you had 130 hit and then 543 hit. What you would do then is you would play the 079, and then I would recommend that you're playing, I would say if you're doing you're playing in the daytime and the nighttime draw, I would suggest playing for at least 10 days in a row. So hypothetically, I don't know your price points, but let's say you played exact any, which would equal out to $1, and then every day you're playing $2, right? So my math is a little bit off, but basically if you play for 10 days straight, or 10 days at a time, your amount out you're paying is $20. And then you would still profit, if you're getting any pick, then you would get $40 in your pocket if that number hit, for example. And then I wouldn't recommend playing longer than that. I would do this method again and then play that number that did not hit again. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, just let me know. And then keep in mind that it does not have to be the number set that I just said. It could be any 3 of these 5 numbers, okay, with the method I just stated. Alright, and we also got your doubles, okay? So I got 011, 119, 131, 337, and 886. I did forget to mention that these numbers are the numbers that I saw hitting relatively close together, so that's why I chose them. So same thing, so let's say you chose, or you noted that 011 hit, 119 hit, and then the 886 hit, pretty close together. What you would do is you would write that down, and then you would have, the next time those numbers hit, let's say it was 119 that hit, and then 886 that hit, then you would play that 011. And the doubles, you're allowed to have a little bit more length of time on those, because you get more of a payout with them, okay? So with the doubles, again, this is a hypothetical payout, because I don't know what your payouts are, but let's say, let's do, if you play both draws, day and night, then you would play that 011 for 30 days. So that would be $60 out of your pocket. And then if that number hit, then you would be making $80, okay? So I would not recommend more than 30 days. And then for those of you who have stuck with the video and got to the end here, and again, same thing too, the doubles, it does not necessarily have to be the numbers I just stated. It could be any three of these 5 together, okay? Alright, so a couple bonus tips I want to mention. For those of you who do, like, you keep track of your own numbers and all of that, what I really noticed just looking at this just for a few minutes, is what I noticed is you guys, your state, you have a ton of doubles hit. Like, compared to other states, the doubles that hit are just a crazy amount compared to the other states that I look at. And I don't have an exact number, it's just something I noticed. And one other thing I noticed is that, at least for right now, the digit 4 is in these numbers a lot, like more than normal compared to other states. So just a tip for you. And then that is it, Colorado. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.